So this is how to sand your floor and fill the gaps without using pine strips or resin. First of all, you do your coarse sanding and then get your sawdust, mix it in a bowl with PVA and a bit of water, so you get something like that, and then trowel it into the joints and then wash off all the excess with a sponge. And then when you do your next bit of sanding, you will be left with a floor that looks something like this. This is still to be finished off and then varnished, but it will look very good.